Hey guys, I hope you are having a wonderful, super productive day, but if you're not, this video might be the thing that you need. All right, so we're talking about the process project today, and just as a side note, I apologize if you hear my little guy in the background. I am a mother, as you know. So moving forward, all right, so we're talking about the process project, and that is the 7 apps for one. All right, so we're talking about the ultimate credit repair software, business and personal versions, which by themselves are $150 each, right? The dispute project, the dispute reason generator, the problem letter generator, plug and print, and the dispute workflow. And there is another one in there as a bonus, right? So you can get instant access to all of the digital apps in one bundle. And this is literally the first and last time I'm doing this. So you cannot go and access these online anymore. I mean, unless you have the direct link, but those are going to be coming down sometime this week, whenever the heck I have time, which I'm running really, really short on time. I guess it always seems to be like that. But anywho, this will not be made available again. So this is why I'm breaking this down for you so that you understand what the heck it is I'm talking about. And if you go back through my videos, you will see each of these individually explained. All right. So now direct features. I tried to make this as easy to understand as possible. All right. You can automate, organize, and collaborate on all of them. All right. So indirect features are that you can do your full marketing from there. You can integrate SendGrid as an autoresponder. You can do video meetings from there. I mean, those are just 3 of the super awesome things. I'm talking about the indirect ones. There's 15 different blocks though. Actually, there's more than 15. When I recorded this last night, which unfortunately didn't record with audio, so I'm having to do it all over again. I went over each individual block, which I'm not going to do this time because if you've seen my other videos, I've already gone over it. So anywho, all right, you are going to use these to fuel your business. All right, so even if you don't have a business, maybe you're doing this for yourself. Maybe you're looking for credit repair software just for you. That's okay too. All right, this is going to fuel your results. And it's going to cut down on the time, and it's going to cut down on the money that you have to invest into figuring out how to do this. So for any credit repair business looking for an alternative to their box full of nothing software, this solution provides everything. Just for an example, OneClick Automation. You record it, literally tell your computer what to do, and in one click, auto rinse and repeat. Okay, so what that means is that you can literally record your actions on your screen with your keyboard and your mouse, right? And I do tell you which program to use for that, which is free. And then you can go and create 500 portals if you want. You want to do, 50 letters at once? Okay, tell it to do it once, click, auto rinse, and repeat. Okay, so this is full automation. Create a dispute letter in 60 seconds. I mean, you can do it in 5 seconds with my new software, but there's nothing wrong with 60 seconds, especially when you're doing it manually. It takes 15 to 20 minutes. All right, create letters by choosing a few built-in options and print. That is it. Now, of course, there are limitations, right? There's always limitations. So what can't this do? So I'm always honest about everything, and that's why I'm telling you what this does not do. So you cannot import a credit report. So you know how when you're using Client Dispute Manager or Dispute Suite or Turbo Dispute or blah, 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 you can just automatically import a credit report and it's going to read it. Well, I did not build in, because it's not possible using Airtable, an HTML parser, right? A system or a script that reads the information off of a credit report. So now if you know how to program, awesome. Write a short script. There's a bunch of different programs that'll help you to do it. Program it and, use it on the side or something. I don't know. But this does not do that. What it does allow you to do is enter the negative items in one time. Just one time. Add your client, add their negative items, create the dispute letter, and print, okay? It's a virtual database. So a lot of you are used to using those softwares that I just mentioned, or even just regular websites, right? Where, it's all pretty, the UI is all nice, and, you click this button, it does this, and blah, blah, blah. This is a virtual database, all right? So what that means is that it's like using a super spreadsheet on the internet. So it's a database and not some pretty front-end website, all right? But pretty front-end websites don't do everything that mine does, or mine do, whatever. Programming knowledge required for website integration. So you can take everything in these apps and integrate it into a website. So it does run like Credit Repair Cloud and Dispute Suite and Client Dispute Manager and all of that. But you're going to not have to know programming, such as using Node.js or React, or use a site such as Bubble.io to connect your information to a website. And that's actually a brand new feature that Bubble.io has, where you can use Airtable as your database, set up the API connector, and show the records and all that kind of crap. So, moving on. So, the question really is this a better alternative to, those other already established credit repair softwares? And the answer is yes. Let's just look at how much they cost. So, with my bundle, 7 apps for the price of 1, it's a $462 real world value. That's how much it would cost if you go and buy them individually. Just an example. Actually, I'll give you the prices of all of them. So, business and personal versions of the Ultimate Credit Repair software is $150 each. The Dispute Project is $67. The generators are $35 and $30. The workflow, I think, is $15, and the plug and print is $10. So add everything together, and you're going to obviously get $462. So instead of paying $460, I'm giving it all to you for only $99. Like I said, first and last time. So now let's go and look at how much these other ones cost, and they can't even do like 1/10 of what, let's just say 1/5 of what mine do. I mean, just as an example, can you go into Credit Repair Cloud or Client Dispute Manager and run a video meeting? No, dude, you can't. But with mine, you can right from your dashboard. All right, so Client Dispute Manager is $99 a month to $149 a month. Dispute Suite is $200 a month to $800 a month, and they actually don't even advertise at $200. They start at $300. But if you reach out to them directly and you say, hey, I'm only one person, I don't want to pay $300, they'll give it to you for $200. Credit Repair Cloud is $179 to $599 a month, and then Credit Money Machine is $149 to $499.97 a month. Credit Admiral is $199 to $799 a month, and Credit CRM is a one-time payment of a grand whopping $24,995. No, that is not a typo. Go look it up yourself. Go look up Credit CRM. Okay, so now what's the problem? Well, it's just like running an apartment, right? You pay every month, year after year, and you are never going to own it. It's never going to be yours unless that's the actual deal that you set up where you are making payments to owning an apartment, right? But if you're renting, how much can you really customize it? So it's owning it and owning all that kind of stuff, whatever, not having to, pay for something that that's never going to be yours, and not being able to customize. So that's kind of my analogy with this. So here's the solution. With mine, it is a one-time payment. I mean, if you'd like to, you can go and pay $1188 a month to $1188 to $8,000 a year, all you want, or you can pay one time, $99. Also, 100% customization. If you want to create it, add, edit, change, etc. That's fine. Do it. It's really, really simple to customize every single thing that you need in Airtable on these apps. If you don't like it, get rid of it. If you want to combine it, do it. If you want to write other formulas, do it. Okay? If you can imagine it, you can create it with Airtable with some very, very small, limitations. Sorry, that's my son in the background once again. All right. Can you go and customize Client Dispute Manager? No, you can't. You can't even change the timing of between disputes. You have to choose from 30 days for everybody, 40 days for everybody, 45 days for everybody, and I don't think they have another option. So that's literally what you are, that's all you have. You can't say, well, this client, because I did, creditor disputes and collection disputes, there's going to be 45, but John over here, his is just a bureau dispute. His is going to be 33. No, you're stuck putting everybody in the same boat when obviously every single file is different. And if you're doing this the right way, every single process is different, although the result is going to be the same, right? That you want to get your deletions. All right. So, and then obviously you're going to save a crap load of money. Save all that money, put it into a house, put it into your business, put it into your pocket. All that money that you're paying right now for credit repair software that is not doing for you what these can do, put it in your pocket. All right. Now, of course, I was asked, well, what about limitations? Like, how many clients can I have in there? And how many records? How many employees? What about storage and all of that? Well, you can have unlimited clients, because I can promise you that you're never going to have a amount of clients that is going to be higher than the cap of records. I can promise you that. Same thing with employees. You have like 1,200 employees? Probably not. Do you have 50,000 employees or clients? Probably not. Right? So it's literally going to be as simple as whatever you have is going to fit into this database, and all the formulas and structures that I've written is going to do what you need it to do to get your disputes out in a crap load of time, less than what you are doing. That came out wrong. What I meant is that it's going to be much, much faster and easier than what you're currently doing. All right. So that's why I have on here virtually unlimited everything. And I'm just saying virtually to be fair, because I don't believe in absolutes. All right. Okay, so once again, it's 7 apps for one. Seriously, all 7 of my apps are just the price of one. So the Ultimate Apps, Business and Personal, Generators, and the Dispute Project, the Workflow, and the Plugin Print. Those are kind of like the helpers. And then, as I said, there's a bonus in there on creating portals for your clients. Now, of course, I want to put this in here. Go and check out my other software projects. And I have a bunch of stuff coming up. Like, you have no idea. I'm so excited about it. Like, my creative field has just, like, exploded recently, because I'm able to do things that it just doesn't exist with the current software products out there. You know what I mean? So, anywho, go and check out the Time Machine. The Time Machine will allow you to create disputes in 5 seconds. Create disputes in 5 seconds. You can use it anywhere on any platform, application, software, browser, yada yada. Now, I'm saying that it's only compatible with Windows. Please do not go get the Time Machine if you are using a Mac. If you're using a Mac, get the Ultimate Credit Repair software instead, the business version. All right. Okay, so there's the Time Machine. There's also the Letter Creator, the Letter and Reason Creator. That's also a Windows download, and it's going to help you create your disputes by very simply answering a couple questions. Like, why is this important to you? I mean, that you should be able to answer that. And this is how you're going to create your disputes with regular, everyday language. That's going to get you the results. You're not going to be sending out disputes that are like the same as everybody else is writing, all right? Okay, I am doing a new software. I'm currently working on a new one while I'm also, fixing up those others. It's called the Ignition Project. It's kind of going to be like the Time Machine, just in that it's going to have everything stored within the code, such as, let's just use collection round 1, version 1. So if you put in collection V1, instead of seeing collection V1 pop up on your screen, it's immediately going to turn into the dispute reason that is stored for collection round 1, version 1. That makes sense? So this is going to drastically cut down on the time that it takes for you to write out your dispute reasons, as well as being able to use factual-based disputes, whatever. So it also comes with the CRM and a bunch of other awesome stuff like a to-do list that I currently have on the website. Anyways, that is it. Oh, wait, no, I have 3 other things. So I also have 3 full-blown websites that you're going to be able to sign up for. It is software as a service for leads, tasks, and deals. As soon as that one's ready, or as soon as all 3 of them are ready, I will introduce those as well. All right. So anywho, you will find all the links down in the description. But once again, I created this video so that you would understand what it is that I'm talking about when I say the 7 apps for one, all right? Because there were so many people that just had the same questions that I was like, you know what? It's going to be much better for me to create this video. Okay, if you have any questions or whatever, let me know. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and you can find a read-only demo version of the Ultimate Credit Repair software down in the link, the description as well, all right? So you can actually just go and check it out and see exactly what it is that I'm talking about when I say virtual database. All right, guys, I'll see you later. I have a new video that I am recording this this evening on the 15 horrible mistakes that I first made when I first started doing this, so that maybe something, you know, that I did wrong that I realized can help you not do it as well. All right, have a great day.